In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic. Project Management Office PMO drives project success and improves organizational performance. Authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, Instructor, PMI, USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, Chartered Engineer. GST and International Business and Projects Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, National Council Member, IIMM. PMO Overview. A project management office PMO is a group or department that centralizes governance, defines, creates, directs, coordinates, guides, maintains and ensures uniform practices of standards across an organization. A PMO can either be internal or external. Just because the title says project, that is often a misnomer, and it can also be referred to as a program or portfolio management office. Project Management Office provides administrative support and guidance for the project management team and standardizes the project-related management processes. Program Management Office manages the program governance process and coordinates the efforts of the program and aim to create efficiencies between projects. Portfolio Management Office. The Project Portfolio Management Office oversees all the strategic aspects of projects and programs of an organization that align to business goals and objectives. Now let's understand PMO key roles and responsibilities. Strategic planning and aligning business. This involves defining project criteria, selecting projects and decision-making that align to business goals and business benefits. Defining the project management methodology involves defining the project management standards, methodology, processes, templates, tools and softwares that will be used on a project, such as waterfall or an agile framework. Best practices and common corporate culture. This includes adopting, standardizing and consolidating best practices and processes, set common project culture and practices across departments and projects to manage and deliver projects. Also includes communication, providing training and development. Risk and compliance. PMOs ensure consistent risk and compliance management practices by developing and distributing guidelines and specifications, templates, and training is necessary, alerting, updating, diagnosing, analyzing overall risk impacts, assisting in developing risk responses, ensuring implementation, coordination of risk and compliance related aspects. Resource management. PMOs manage and allocate resources across projects based on priorities, schedules, budgets and optimizing resource allocation and utilization. Creates project archives, tools and more. The PMO provides administrative support to better manage, monitor and control of projects, traceability, manage documentation, project history and organizational knowledge and lessons learned. Governance and transparency. They make sure that the right decisions are being made by the right people based on the right information which is relevant and accurate. This can also include auditing and peer reviews, analysis and reporting, developing project structure and making sure there's transparency and accountability and compliance. A project management office PMO is an organizational structure that standardizes the project-related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. The responsibilities of a PMO can range from providing project management support functions to the direct management of one or more projects. There are several types of PMOs in organizations. Each type varies in the degree of control and influence it has on projects within the organization, such as supportive type of PMO. Supportive PMOs provide a consultative role to projects by supplying templates, best practices, training, access to information, and lessons learned from other projects. This type of PMO serves as a project repository. The degree of control provided by the PMO is low. Controlling type of PMO. Controlling PMOs provide support and require compliance through various means. The degree of control provided by the PMO is moderate. Compliance may involve adoption of project management frameworks or methodologies, use of specific templates, forms, and tools, and conformance to governance frameworks. Directive type of PMO. Directive PMOs take control of the projects by directly managing the projects. Project managers are assigned by and report to the PMO. The degree of control provided by the PMO is high. PMO Strategic Alignment. The project management office may have organization-wide responsibility. It may play a role in supporting strategic alignment and delivering organizational value. It helps to take right decisions in selecting the projects and right delivery of projects to add value propositions to the business. The PMO integrates data and information from organizational strategic projects and evaluates how higher-level strategic objectives are being fulfilled. The PMO is the natural liaison between the organization's portfolios, programs, projects, and the organizational measurement systems, e.g., balanced scorecard. The projects supported or administered by the PMO may not be related other than by being managed together. The specific form, function, and structure of a PMO are dependent upon the needs of the organization that it supports. Value of Project Management Offices (PMOs). Let's now discuss importance and value of having PMO. More organizations discovering value of Project Management Office (PMO). Overall, there are 71% of organizations have PMO. As per PMI's Pulse of the Profession 2017, 81% of champion organizations have PMO, while only 59% of underperforming organizations have PMO. Champion organizations are those with 80% or more of projects being completed on time and on budget, and meeting original goals and business intent, and having high benefits realization maturity. Underperformer organizations are with 60% or fewer of projects being completed on time and on budget, and meeting original goals and business intent, and having low benefits realization maturity. In case of champion organizations, 88% of projects completed on time, whereas 24% in underperformer organizations. Champion organizations performed well with 90% of projects completed within budget, compared to only 25% in underperformer organizations. 6% of projects deemed failures in champion organizations, while the failure are very high of 24% in underperformer organizations. Comparison of other performance parameters are shown below. These performance figures indicate the importance and value of having PMO. PMOs and strategic EPMOs. There's growing attention to benefits realization management, which is the collective process of identifying benefits at the outset of a project and ensuring, through purposeful actions during implementation, that the benefits are realized and sustained once the project ends. 1 in 3 organizations, 31%, reports high benefits realization maturity. Organizations can bridge the chasm between high-level strategic vision and implementation with a project management office PMO. Among organizations in PMI survey that have a PMO, half report having an enterprise-wide project management office EPMO. And those that align their EPMO to strategy, i.e., have a strategic EPMO, report 38% more projects meet original goals and business intent, and 33% fewer projects are deemed failures. PMO authority. A PMO may have the authority to act as an integral stakeholder and a key decision maker throughout the life of each project in order to keep it aligned with the business objectives. The PMO may make recommendations, lead knowledge transfer, terminate projects, and take other actions, as required. PMO, support project managers. A primary function of a PMO is to support project managers in a variety of ways, which may include but are not limited to, managing shared resources across all projects administered by the PMO. Identifying and developing project management methodology, best practices, and standards. Coaching, mentoring, training, and oversight. Monitoring compliance with project management standards, policies, procedures, and templates by means of project audits. Developing and managing project policies, procedures, templates, and other shared documentation, organizational process assets, and coordinating communication across projects. Key success factors of PMO. The key success factors of PMO are a good strategic approach and action plans to integrate projects with organizational goals and clear business objectives. Ensuring that business cases are supported by information that allows reliable decision making. Adopting, standardizing, and consolidating best practices and processes, set common project culture and practices across projects. Alerting, updating risk and compliance requirements. Appropriate communication, facilitation, training and mentoring, sharing knowledge and skills. Manage and engage stakeholders appropriately and ensure user involvement and supportive relationships that fosters trust and collaborative work environment. Establishing clearly defined roles, responsibilities, and performance criteria for governance. Institutionalize best practices, good performance measurement, constant review, and feedback system. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement and frank disclosure of project information. Acting early and swiftly to expedite the decision matters. Ensuring that projects adds value to the business. PMO drives project success and improves organizational performance. The PMO serves as the backbone of a business's project management approach. It provides decision support and ensures all business change is managed in a controlled way. PMO can bring added value and an increased project success rate, and hence, improves organizational performance and improve effectiveness, particularly by strategic alignment, standardizing best practices and enabling the effective transfer of knowledge from earlier success failures, and by providing a range of support services both for projects and various management levels. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.